We've told you for years about overcrowding in both Kansas jails and prisons. Now the Sedgwick County District Attorney is offering his opinion to help. Marc Bennett wrote this letter to local and state policymakers this month about the criminal justice reform. Fact Finder 12 investigator Devon sat down with Bennett to talk about his ideas.
Remember this woman? Maybe this video will jog your memory. Officers arrested Tia Brown in connection with 2 Porsche pirate cases in Wichita. She's been in prison twice for drugs and running from an officer, and she violated her probation.
We don't have a kleptomania problem, we have a drug problem.
Sedgwick County District Attorney Marc Bennett says many DAs agree burglaries are the most frustrating crimes for people.
A property crime doesn't sound all that serious until it's your property.
Bennett says it's those people that are overcrowding jails and prisons. 40% of inmates, he says, are true criminals. We're talking sex crimes, murder, and the like. But the rest are those who commit low-level crimes, do time, get out, and come right back. Nearly 70% of new admit inmates just violated supervision. Bennett found the top 4 reasons why.
2 out of the 4 are explicitly drug-related. Hot UAs for drugs or failure to complete drug treatment. The other 2 of the top 4, the number 1 is absconding. Well, why do people abscond? Because they're hot and they know and they don't want to come back in. I guarantee you that the main reason for absconding is drug-related.
Drugs, that's the problem. Bennett says along with mental health, that's why our jails and prisons are 101% full. Look at this. Statewide, there are more than 10,000 inmates right now. That's more than capacity, and projections show that number to grow. But why should you care? Bennett says taxpayers pay an average of $24,500 per inmate for their total time locked up. We're spending the money regardless.
My suggestion is we make these treatment centers available, and we don't discriminate between people who are pre-adjudication in the process or post.
Treatment centers, that's what Bennett says Kansas needs, and he knows it'll be an investment. Affordable options for people fighting drug addictions or mental illness so they can get help instead of getting locked up, criminal or not.
1990, we have 1,000 beds for mental health inpatient treatment in Kansas statewide. Tonight we have less than 260.
Bennett says he won't tell lawmakers what to do, but says if we ignore the problem and just build new prisons, we won't get anywhere. He says as a society, we can just lock people up like Tia Brown or help her. In Wichita, Devon Fact Finder 12 investigators.